Guys, let's take a quick look here at Near Protocol. As you can see, Near is getting a bounce off this daily support at about $4.95. Now, a few days ago it did break through, but it did get a bounce, and it has maintained that basically. Yesterday it was kind of an indecisive day, though. You can kind of see it was right on the line, almost exactly on the line, but, you know, these lines are not 100% perfect. But you can see they do line up pretty good here, almost touch this candle here, so it is pretty good. But anyways, it did maintain it and is now getting that bounce, and we got to get out of this reaccumulation zone here. That will finish at about $5.53. And then we have at $5.75 basically another daily resistance to deal with. So Near Protocol looking a little bit better. I would say, though, to really make me happy, we do need to see it get above this zone here where it's been since, what, the 13th of June. So yeah, I mean, basically 3 weeks or so. It's been sitting here at these levels, just kind of doing nothing, you know. And let's take a quick look at Bitcoin here. Now, Bitcoin is getting the bounce that I told you it was probably going to get. I did tell you it was probably going to maintain this weekly support. Tonight, this weekly candle will close. Let me put this on the weekly so you can see it here. Yeah, you can see we're well above this weekly support. It would be nice if we could pump up to 62.5. That would be really great if we could take out this, you know, the resistance right now. But let's see, let's put this back on the daily. And you can see, though, we're going to come to this trend line and this resistance here, this daily resistance at 62.5. So it's going to be a harder resistance, I would say, to kind of break through. So we'll see if we can do it easily or not. But without some news, you know, I would say this may take a while. But, you know, we don't really have a while. I mean, we've got to kind of make a decision here. So we could see something like a rejection and then go down here again, hit 61.3, maybe come up again, hit this resistance, and then break through. That's kind of what I think might happen, because this is going to be, you know, a little bit strong resistance. But let's take a look at the economic calendar. And, you know, tomorrow we do have the ISM, you know, manufacturing PMI and things like this. S&P manufacturing, you know, PMI also. So, oh, sorry, that's yeah, it's also in America too. I was looking at Brazil here, but it's also in America. So these are kind of important numbers. It might give us enough juice to really push through this, but I'm not so sure. It might. Tuesday, though, there is the JOLTS job openings, and Fed Chair Powell speaks on this day. I'm not sure what he's going to say or why he's speaking. There also is European Union CPI as well, so that could be a little bit important. Wednesday, there's also some important numbers with the Challenger job cuts, and then I think there's also, yeah, jobless claims, ADP non-farm employment change. So all of these are kind of important. Thursday is kind of a dry day, but Friday we do get some economic numbers again. Basically non-farm payrolls is most important, but we do have, you know, hourly earnings and things like this. You can see all of these economic numbers, unemployment rate and things. So we'll see if these, you know, numbers can give us this push. I would like to kind of break this whole range here and start pushing back up to about 64.8. And then I would feel a little bit better because we would take out, you know, this past week basically. But yeah, we do need to break this trend. You can see this trend line has extended down since the beginning of June, since June 6th. So, you know, it's basically do or die at this point. You know, I hope we don't come down to 61.3, but I can say it's likely something like this could happen. We could get a push down today and come over, make the candle here, deal with one resistance instead of basically two resistances at once, because basically here you have two resistances today. So we'll see. Anyways, guys, that's what I got for you on NIR and Bitcoin and about the economic, numbers coming out this week. So try to remember these dates. If you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.